Hi, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to change your actual username on Snapchat. I'm not talking about just your name, I'm talking about the actual username you have on your Snapchat. So let's get started right away. So now it is very simple to change your Snapchat username now. You were never able to change your username back when you made your account 10 years ago. They changed this in one of the previous updates. So now all you really have to do is open up the Snapchat app. And then from here, you want to click on your Bitmoji in the top left corner. And then click on the gear icon in the top right. From here, all you need to do is click on the username. And this is as simple as this. All you need to do is click change username, and you can change it to whatever you want to. But however, there is a little thing with it. You can only change it once a year. So you got to make sure that you really do like this new username. If you need to, just think about it, but just make sure it's a thing you want. So I hope this video helps, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It helps out the channel a lot, and I will see you in the next